it's Dividfox. Just want to welcome you to this video. As you probably already know by the title, this video is about getting Discord running on the aarch64 and x86 architecture on computers running Arch Linux. I originally just planned this video to be for just aarch64, as x86 already has the official version of Discord, but you if you want to follow along, you should be alright. So, if you're a fan of this channel, you probably know that I put all the music links that I'm using in the description, as well as the commands I use. So, all of the commands I'll be using in this video I'll have in the description. I'll also have them in order too, by the way. And, just a little side note, this is technically against Discord's T's and C's, so I'm just, be careful and use at your own risk. Alright, so with all that out of the way, we'll be good to begin. Alright. First things first, open up your terminal thingo. So terminal, command line, mine says console, so maybe you could check for that too. And you'll type in sudo pacman dash capital S Syyu. Sudo pacman Syyu, whatever that is. And you need to make sure that one is a capital and none of these are capital also. Enter, and enter your root password or your administrator password. So I'll enter mine. Okay, now let it install, and mine's already up to date, but if you haven't done that in a while, I haven't updated anything in a while, it may need to give it a moment just to install and update everything. Okay. So, on to the next step. Type in sudo pacman dash s. Only dash s. Then we'll do flatpak. Flatpak. Sudo pacman s flatpak. Enter. I've already installed it, so I'm not going to. But if you haven't ever used flatpak before, you'll install it. Now, what I'll do is I'll run the command flatpak install flathub flathub. Now I've also already installed this, so I'm not going to, but if you haven't done that before, you need to give it a moment. Flathub also will require a restart after you've installed it, and I find that works best just to restart by going into the menu and just restarting. Or you could type in this into the console. Sudo restart or Okay. Now onto the third step. You type in flatpak install flathub xyz.armcord. Capital A, R, M, no space, capital C, O, R, D. You've got that looking like that, you've done it right. And enter. Yes, or you can just hit enter. And it's already been installed. Okay. Next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to close up terminal, done everything with it. Go to your file explorer, search in ARMCORD.
Hello, it's Dividfox. Unfortunately the audio and frame rate completely died here, so I decided I'd do my own voiceover and try to explain what's going on. Yeah, sorry about that. Okay, so after you open up ArmCord, you have to click it at the bottom to start it. Now you're going to go through a setup process. You get three thingers, stable, canary and PTB. The beta versions, and I just go with stable because it's the latest release, but Canary and PTB are even more beta versions. So Canary is like a month, they create a new Canary every month, and PTB is none. Here you have to select mods. If you don't know what you're doing, I'd suggest clicking none, but I quite like using shelter. And for tray icon, hit no, because sometimes it can crash in Linux, which is lots of fun when you're trying to record a video or trying to play Minecraft and Linux just crashes. So I select no. Then you have to go back into the settings and reopen it. As you can see, it gets kind of the the frame rate just completely dies here. But after you go back into your settings and open it will show up like this and you'll be able to log in normally. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a very good day.